not appreciate that. How about you?
No, I'm just listening to it.
That's okay, but I didn't appreciate him talking about our sex life. That's fucking.
And see, that's what I'm telling you. If you are gay, you only be gay.
I wanna ask you a question. When you're getting to the, I know you guys aren't supposed to talk about what happened to the DR, but what the fuck? I'm not.
Why Wanda talking about that?
Why does it
gay or what?
when you're going to the DR, people like whoever Big Brother them ask about the sex that we have?
Huh? I'm confused.
I'm also confused.
What do you mean?
He's like, yeah, like, he was like looking at me, then he's like, yeah, it's okay. And he's showing me this. I'm like, no, don't do that. Don't show me signs behind Bravo's back. He's like, yeah. He's like, yeah, you didn't see that. That's when he talked about sex.
That's how care is,
so I'm like, what are you talking about? He's like, no, we know about the sex. I'm like, what sex do I have here in the house? He's like, no, when we're going to the dining room, the Big Brother asked us about, what do you think about the sex?
Did you guys been asked about that shit? Is Big Brother know that shit? I don't know, man. I might go and ask him that shit.
But that's a low blow, even for King Wanda. Because at the end of the day, I don't know.
Dog, I told you, if you've been... Dog, don't wear umkhele and act as...